Good morning, children. Shall we have a small recap of the previous class? We studied about what is direct speech, what is indirect speech, what is sentence, types of sentence, and rules for direct to indirect speech. In last class, we learned rules which must be followed while changing direct to indirect speech. This class, we are going to learn how to change direct sentence into indirect sentence. Before going to the class, we are going to recall the rules. In direct speech, there is repeats or quotes and the exact words are spoken. When we use direct speech in writing, we place the words which is spoken between quotation marks. And there is no change in these words. In indirect speech, we usually use to talk about the past. So we normally change the tense of the word spoken. Inverted commas are not used. Okay, children. Last class, we also learned types of sentences. What are they? Yes, good. Assertive sentence, imperative sentence, interrogative sentence, and exclamatory sentence. Now we are going to learn how to change direct statement sentences into indirect statement sentences. Okay, children, before learning that, we must know the rules that are used while converting direct statement sentence to indirect statement sentence. Okay, let's take a quick glance on the rules. Rule 1. While converting direct statement sentence into indirect statement sentences, the verb said will be said. Said to will be changed into told. Say to will change into tell. Says to will change into tells. And of course, our conjunction and keyword that must be added. Then all the quotation words will be removed. There will be some change in tenses and pronouns which are common. Okay, children, now let's see some sentences. First one, Mary said, I don't like the food. Consider this sentence. Mary said, I don't like the food. Here, Mary is talking to someone directly. Mary talked by herself to someone. Here, no third person involved for talking about Mary. So, it is a direct speech, isn't it? Okay. Now, let's change the sentence to indirect speech. Now, we are going to apply rule number 1 in this sentence. What is rule number 1? Yes, good. To add the conjunction that. Okay. Where should we add? After the reporting verb said. Now we must apply the rule number 2. Based on direct to indirect speech, tense plays an important role here. As per the rule, simple present tense will change into past tense. While changing into indirect speech, don't will change into didn't. Okay, children. What is rule number 3? Yes, good. There will be some changes in pronoun. So, here the pronoun is I and the gender is a girl. So, I will change into she. Finally, we will get a sentence like this. Mary said that she didn't like the food. Okay, children. Now consider the second sentence. John said, I am leaving for Dubai soon. Here, John is talking to someone directly. John talked by himself to someone. Here, no third person involved for talking about John. So, it is a direct speech. Okay. Now, let's change the sentence into indirect speech. Now, we are going to apply rule number 1 in this sentence. What is rule number 1? Yes, good. To add the conjunction that. Okay, where should we add? After the reporting verb said. Now we must apply the rule number 2. As per the rule, present continuous tense will be changed into past continuous tense. While changing into indirect speech, am leaving changes into was leaving. Okay. What is rule number 3? Yes, good. There will be some changes in pronoun. So here also the pronoun is I and the gender is boy. So I will change into he. Finally, we will get a sentence like this. John said that he was leaving for Dubai soon. Okay, children, now moving on to third sentence. The hunter said, I have caught a big deer. Here, what is the conjunction? Yes, good. That. As per the rule, present perfect tense will change into past perfect tense. While changing into indirect speech, have caught will change into had caught. Okay. Then we should change the pronoun. Here also the pronoun is I and the gender is boy. So I will change into he. Finally, we will get a sentence like this. The hunter said that he had caught a big deer. Children, now consider the fourth sentence. The children say, we haven't done our homework yet. If the reporting verb is in present tense, don't change the tense of the sentence. Here, say is a present tense. Now, let's change this sentence into indirect speech. What is the conjunction? Yes, good. That. Okay. Then we should change the pronoun. Here, the pronoun is we. So, we will change into they. Then the reporting verb is in present tense. So, don't change the tense haven't. Or will change into their. Finally, we will get a sentence like this. The children say that they haven't done their homework yet. Next one, he said the earth moves around the sun. In universal truth and habitual action, we don't change the tense. It always comes under present tense. We need to add the conjunction that alone. So the answer is he said that the earth moves around the sun. Okay children, now let's recall. Today we learnt about what is direct and indirect speech. Rules which must be followed while changing direct to indirect speech in statement sentences. Hope you understood. Thank you.